Prime Minister Narendra Modi met the family of freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose at Raj Bhavan in Kolkata. He assured the family of his support to their demand of declassifying all Netaji files. Netaji's grandnephew Chandra Kumar Bose, along with other family members, held a 20-minute-long meeting with the Prime Minister. They said the PM's approach towards their demand of declassification of files was very positive. It was also an emotional moment for the Prime Minister when the family presented him Netaji's cap. The Prime Minister held it in his hands and touched it with a bowed head.
Several family members of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose family met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Kolkata and also apprised him of various issues. To talk more on this, we have with us grandnephew of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Mr. Chandra Bose. So give us an idea on what transpired in the meeting.
Well, today was a courtesy meet because I think Narendra Modi ji as Prime Minister is visiting the city for the first time. So we thought, members of the Bose family, it's our responsibility to pay our respects and a courtesy visit. So we did seek this appointment. But, when the Bose family meets the Prime Minister, obviously we can't avoid Subhash Chandra Bose and the files. So the issue did come up. You see, what I liked about Narendra Modi ji's attitude, he said that he has not seen the files personally himself. He said he has to see the files, he has to understand what it entails. What he said, we would jointly work together. We would jointly work together, the Bose family members who are involved with the declassification movement, Netaji researchers who have worked very hard over the last 15-20 years, investigative journalists who do an excellent job in this. We would sit together, work together and take this issue forward.
Do you see it moving forward as far as the government of West Bengal is also concerned and the central government working on the same page?
Yes, I think the West Bengal Chief Minister, Srimati Mamata Banerjee, has also, I think, stated she has formed a team to understand, what are in these files, the 64 files. So yes, I think let us be positive that she would also declassify all the 64 files.
I'm told you shared an emotional moment with him regarding the cap of Netaji Bose that you're wearing. Share with us what happened.
Well, yes, this cap was given to me by my father, Amiyanath Bose. He said, don't use it, wear it sparingly, which I do, because today is an occasion that we are meeting the Prime Minister. So I'm wearing this cap. Yes, this is Subhash Chandra Bose's cap, which has come down to me right now.
What did he do with the cap? I'm told he took in his hand and there was a very emotional moment he shared.
Yes, he took it in his hand and he showed his respect. He did namaskar and then he gave it back to me, of course.